everyone, I hope you are doing well today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dianra Udianur Shiva and I am from class 4B IMP. And today I would like to talk about a topic that can help us grow, learn, and become better version of ourselves. The power of stepping out of your comfort zone. It may sound simple, but sometimes the hardest thing to do is take the first step and try something new. We all want to grow and achieve our dreams and our goals, but growth often begins when we have the courage to step outside our comfort zone and face new challenges. Before I begin, let me start with a simple question. Have you ever wanted to try something new, but you were too afraid to do it? Maybe you wanted to apply for a competition, speak in front of class, or learn a new skill. But then a voice in your head said, what if I fail? What if people look at me? What if I'm not good enough? I believe most of us have felt this way at least once in our life. Don't worry, you are not alone, and that feeling is completely normal. And today, I want to share why stepping out of our comfort zone is important and how it can help us grow as individuals. First, let's understand what a comfort zone actually is. According to the Oxford Dictionary, a comfort zone is a place or situation where we feel safe and comfortable, especially when we choose to stay there instead of working harder or achieving more. There is nothing wrong with having a comfort zone. In fact, everyone needs comfort. It helps us feel secure and reduce stress. However, the problems begin when we stay there for too long, when we avoid challenges and only do what feels familiar. We may stop growing and miss valuable opportunity. Think about it for a moment. If we only do things that we're already good at, how can we discover new skill? If we only choose easy situation, how can we become stronger? If we never take risks, how can we achieve our goals? The truth is that growth rarely happens when we stay comfortable. Growth happens when we challenge ourselves. Growth happens when we try something new. Growth happens when we step outside our comfort zone. This idea is also reflected in James Clear's book. His book, Atomic Habits, he explained that growth takes place when we are challenged, not when we are comfortable. In other words, real improvement often begins when we are willing to face our fears and try something new. So, why do many people stay in their comfort zone? One of the biggest reasons is fear. We are afraid of making mistakes, we are afraid of failing, and we are afraid of being judged by others. Because of this fear, many people choose to stay where they are instead of taking the next step forward. But let me tell you something, fear is normal. Everyone experiences fear in their life. Even successful people feel nervous before making important decisions. The difference is that they do not let fear stop them. They move forward despite being afraid. Imagine learning how to ride a bicycle for the first time. Most of us were scared of falling, and many of us actually did fall. But we got up and tried again. If we had given up after the first fall, we would never have learned how to ride a bicycle. The same lesson applies to life. Every new challenge comes with the possibility of failure, but it also comes with the opportunity to learn and improve and become stronger. Another important thing to remember is that confidence does not come before action. Many people believe they need confidence before they can do something difficult. They say, I will do it when I feel ready. But confidence is not something that magically appears. Confidence grows through experience. The more we do something, the more confident we become. For example, many students feel nervous when giving their first presentation. Their hands shake, their voice becomes quiet, they worry about making mistakes. However, after giving their first presentation, they become more comfortable and confident. The same process happens in many areas of life. Confidence comes from doing, not from waiting. That is why stepping out of your comfort zone is so important. It allows you to gain experience and learn from the mistake, and it helps you build confidence over time. Although stepping out of our comfort zone is not always easy, but the rewards are often worth the effort. Trying something new can feel uncomfortable. It can make us nervous and uncertain. But being uncomfortable is often a sign that we are growing. There are many benefits to stepping out of our comfort zone. First, it helps us learn new skill and gain new experience. Second, it helps us become more adaptable. Life is always changing, and people who are willing to face challenges often adapt better to change. And third, it helps us discover our true potential. Sometimes we do not realize what we are capable of until we challenge ourselves. Most importantly, stepping out of our comfort zone helps us grow as individuals. It teaches us resilience, courage, and confidence. Knowing these benefits, the next question is, how can we start stepping out of our comfort zone? Stepping out of your comfort zone does not require a huge change overnight. You can start with a small steps. James Clear in his book Atomic Habits say that tiny change when repeated consistently lead to remarkable results over time. I believe this idea also applies to stepping out of our comfort zone. We do not need to make a big change all at once. Sometimes growth begins with small action, such as speaking up during class, introducing ourselves to someone new, or learning a new skill. These actions might seem small at first, but when we do them consistently, they can build our confidence, expand our ability, and help us become better version of ourselves. Every small step helps us grow. Every challenge make us stronger, and every experience teach us something valuable. As students, we are currently in one of the most important stage of our life. This is the time for us to learn, explore, and prepare for the future. If we spend all our time staying comfortable, we may miss many opportunity. However, if we are willing to take risks and challenge ourselves, we can gain experience that help us success in the future. Remember, success is not about being fearless. Success is about taking action when we when when you are afraid. No one is perfect. No one has all the answer. We are all learning as we go. What matters is that we keep moving forward. Before I end, I'd like to leave you with one simple message. Your comfort zone may feel safe, but growth rarely happens there. The person you want to become is waiting outside that zone. Yes, you may fail. Yes, you may feel uncomfortable. Yes, you may make mistake, but you will also learn, also improve, and discover strengths you never knew you had. So, the next time life gives you an opportunity that scares you, do not run away from it. Take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and take that first step. Because growth begins where comfort in. Thank you for watching. And the reference I use for this speech are listed below. Have a wonderful day!